alam niyo ito paano ito nagyari. Mga yan. Like that. That is so cute, She's so cute. I'm gonna show you how did I do that. Play this game and click create font. Go in this series, okay, that, and if you want to create, go here and create your timeline. If you're a tablet, you don't have okay and cancel like this, and you see it. Click like here. Yes, okay, that. And like that. That is the easy way. And if you want to save it, you need to give names. If she don't see the delete sign, go here, and if you go in the select, go in the number shot, and you see gonna series. That is all.